I almost never buy hardware, but this time I made an exception. 14 years ago, I bought my first personal computer, which was a Windows machine. It was a PC, and before that, I used to go to cyber cafe to use computer. In 2019, I bought another laptop, which is MSI GL63 9RDS. It's i7 processor, 9th gen with 16 gigs of RAM. It was a power beast back then, but then the build quality was not great at all, because you can see the hinges coming off and the keyboard has wore out, and now it's not that good of a PC or laptop. So currently my main laptop that I run every day is this ThinkPad T14S Lenovo. It's AMD Ryzen 7 with 32 gigs of RAM, and it's a great machine. But why I am telling you this, it's just I rarely buy any expensive hardwares because it's expensive. So I have decided to create my own home lab, and for that I have bought Minisforum MS A2, and in this video I'll be showing you unboxing, and in other videos I'll be showing you how to set up Proxmox and create a home lab for yourself. I'll also include the mistakes I have done, things I could have done better. So let's go. So in this box we have 96 GB of RAM and 2 GB SSD. The RAM is from Crucial. It's 48 gigabits of DDR5 sodium RAM, and we also have Samsung 990 Pro 2TB PCIe 4 Gen NVMe M.2. So let's unbox this. I don't have any special equipment for this, so I just use my pen to cut it out, and that's not how you cut it out. That's not good unboxing, but yeah, this is it. These are the bad boys. Look at this. New DDR5 sodium RAM. And this. I'll install these two inside our Minisforum in the next video. So see ya.